Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a BMW i8 step by step. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the main body. Then, add a central horizontal line and a vertical line to help with symmetry. Focus on capturing the i8's distinctive low-slung profile and wide, aggressive stance. These initial lines are your foundation for a realistic drawing. Now, let's add some of the i8's signature features. Carefully outline the distinctive BMW kidney grille and the sleek, narrow headlights. Next, define the car's unique dihedral doors and the flowing roofline that tapers towards the rear. Don't forget to sketch the prominent wheel arches and the aerodynamic side skirts. These details truly bring the i8 to life on paper. Moving on, let's focus on the wheels and the rear of the car. Draw the large, intricate wheels, paying attention to the spoke design, and add the low-profile tires. Next, detail the distinctive rear taillights and the aggressive diffuser elements. Finally, add subtle lines and shading to suggest reflections on the bodywork and to enhance the car's contours. This adds depth and realism to your drawing. For the final touches, carefully refine all your lines, making them crisp and clean, and erase any unnecessary guide marks. Now, apply shading to create depth, highlighting the curves and shadows of the i8's body. Think about where light would hit and how it would reflect. This step truly makes your drawing pop. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Your finished BMW i8 drawing will look fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.